Hey everyone, I'm here at closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day. I want to show you more of the kids clothing palette that I have available. The children's clothing ranges from approximately from 6 months up to 16 years old. You have bathing suits, sports shorts, jeans, dresses, a lot of beautiful items. So I want to show you some more items as well. So here, for instance, we have a really nice dress by Amy's Closet. Let's look at the size. You can see a flower. The embroidery is beautiful. The size is size 12. Next we have here some swimwear, one-piece bathing suits for girls. Most of this merchandise is overstocked from Sears. Has an original retail price of $32. Here we have a sports top for girls by Everlast, size 7 to 8. Some swimwear bottoms. Boy shorts. Oh, this is really cute. Here's a small girl's dress, size 2T, so 2 years old. We have many bathing suits here. These are shorts, sport bathing suits, trunk shorts for boys by Joe Boxer, large, size 14-16. We have clothing here by Free Country. We have some here, you can see some pajamas. Here's a one-piece pajama with Mickey Mouse by Disney, size 3T. Here are some more dresses. By Zoe Girl, size 10-12 to 2. Oh, they're actually two-piece sets. As always, you're welcome to come visit in person. You could see everything here in person when you visit the warehouse. You could send someone on your behalf. Here's some skirts by Amy Closet. Size medium, size 10-12. Some more beautiful skirts. Size 18.5, extra large. These are plus size, but they're for girls. These are already teenage sizes. Pretty plus, as you can see. Here's some more dresses. These dresses are by Roebuck and Company. As I mentioned, this is primarily overstocked from Sears. And these are really nice items. I'd love for you to come visit, see everything in person. You can always appreciate the quality of clothing better when you touch it and you feel it and you look at it in person. But you could also order by WhatsApp. Thank you so much and have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching.